Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to a task on ClickUp. So as you can see right here, I have one task here. It says create a video. I'm going to open up that task and the description of this video really basically to create a YouTube video, right? So all I have to do really is simply scroll down a bit and under this, let's say description section is to find the video that I want to add that URL or that video of and just paste it there. Once you paste it, you can choose whether if you want it to paste as a preview or inline link or just a URL. I like to keep the preview options because when I choose that, I can actually see the video that I want to. And you can even play those videos directly. You can even maximize it. Let's say to open the preview directly, you can even open it in a new tab or you can even just copy the URL. So have a look at this. I'm going to play this. Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And as you can see right there, I can even play it. So once you're done guys, you can just simply go ahead and click the X on the upper right hand side, and that is within the description of that task. So at any point in time you want to quickly check the task, you will be able to see that it contains that. And so that's how easy it is to add a YouTube video in your task on ClickUp guys.